Welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. This is episode 6 and today we're cooking a traditional Christmas dish called Guyanese Pepperpot. It's a slow cooked meat dish with sugar and a special ingredient called Cassareep. So here we go. So first of all, I just washed my meat off camera. Next, I'm going to heat some oil in a pan and add the meat to the pan to braise it. You just want to brown it all over to add a little bit of colour. Whilst the meat is braising, we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. Keep stirring it to get it brown all over. As the meat is brown, it's going to start to release its own juices. Next, we want to add some brown sugar. Then we want to add our cassareep, and that's that special rich ingredient that makes pepperpot pepperpot. Next, we're going to add some water. We're going to stir this to combine, then put the lid on and bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to add our fresh seasonings. So to start with, we're going to add some fresh thyme. Next, we're going to add some cinnamon, then Scotch Bonnet. We're going to add some garlic, some onions, some cloves, and then just combine it all so everything can start cooking in together. We want to bring it to the boil again with the lid on for a few minutes. Then lastly, before we leave it to cook for a few hours, we're going to add some fresh orange peel. I've just turned the heat down to medium so it's just a simmer, and then we're going to leave this to cook for about 2 hours. keep checking it to make sure it doesn't burn. You can add a little extra water if necessary. And after 2 hours, our pepper pot is done. You can see how rich it is. All of the water, the sugar, the cassareep have just reduced right down, creating this really lovely and thick gravy. We're simply going to serve this with some flatbread, which I'm going to share the recipe for also, and that is it. That's my recipe for Guyanese Pepperpot. Thank you guys for watching as always. I hope you try this one. Until the next time, peace and love.